Picture this. You are planning a trip, scrolling through endless hotel listings, comparing prices across 5 different tabs, and still not sure if you are actually getting a good deal. It is exhausting, and for millions of travelers, it used to be the norm. That is exactly the gap that Hotels.com stepped in to fill. Born out of a simple but powerful idea that booking a hotel should be straightforward, affordable, and stress-free, the platform has grown into one of the most recognized names in online travel. But how did it get there, and what actually makes it stand out in a market crowded with competitors? Hotels.com traces its roots back to 1991, originally launched as a hotel reservation service called Hotel Reservations Network. It operated primarily through phone bookings and early internet infrastructure before rebranding to Hotels.com in 2001. That rebrand was more than just a name change. It signaled a full pivot toward the digital-first traveler. The domain name alone was a massive asset, instantly memorable and self-explanatory. By 2004, the platform was acquired by Expedia Group for approximately $1.1 billion, cementing its place as a serious player in the global travel industry. Under Expedia's umbrella, Hotels.com gained access to greater inventory, technology resources, and international reach, allowing it to scale rapidly across dozens of countries and languages. At its core, Hotels.com is a hotel booking engine, but calling it just that undersells what the platform delivers. Users can browse through more than 500,000 properties worldwide, ranging from budget-friendly motels to 5-star luxury resorts. The search functionality is built around flexibility, allowing travelers to filter by price, star rating, guest reviews, amenities, and neighborhood. One of the platform's most talked about features has historically been its rewards program, where users earned 1 free night for every 10 nights booked. While the rewards structure has evolved over time as part of Expedia Group's broader loyalty ecosystem called One Key, the underlying promise remains the same. Frequent travelers get more value the more they use the platform. The app experience is also worth noting. With a clean interface and real-time pricing updates, it makes comparing options genuinely easy rather than overwhelming. In the travel industry, trust is everything. No one wants to arrive at a destination only to find that the hotel looks nothing like the photos. Hotels.com has invested heavily in verified guest reviews, transparent pricing, and a price match guarantee that tells users they are not leaving money on the table. If a traveler finds a lower price for the same room on another site, Hotels.com commits to matching it. That kind of confidence-building policy matters enormously in a space where skepticism runs high. The platform also displays real reviews from verified guests, not curated testimonials, which gives potential bookers an honest picture of what to expect. Over time, this commitment to transparency has helped build a loyal user base that returns trip after trip. Hotels.com does not operate in a vacuum. It competes directly with platforms like Booking.com, Airbnb, Trivago, and even Google Hotels, each offering their own spin on travel accommodation. What keeps Hotels.com relevant is its combination of brand recognition, inventory depth, and integration within the Expedia Group ecosystem. Travelers who also use Expedia or Vrbo can benefit from a unified loyalty experience, making the platform stickier than a standalone booking site. The brand has also leaned into humor and personality through its long-running Captain Obvious marketing campaigns, which helped it stand apart in a category that can feel transactional and cold. The travel industry has been through seismic shifts, from the disruption of short-term rentals to the chaos of the global pandemic that brought hospitality to its knees. Through all of it, Hotels.com has adapted, expanded its offerings, and continued to serve travelers who want reliability and value in one place. It represents something important in the digital age, the idea that convenience and savings do not have to be mutually exclusive. Whether you are booking a weekend getaway or a month-long international journey, the platform continues to make the case that finding the right place to stay should never be the hardest part of the trip.